And the last of that cloud cover showing up here out at that Ingham Woods Tower Cam. This is the last line of defense between us and some sunshine as we get into our Tuesday. We're waking up in the mid to upper 60s, and again, generally speaking, that's warm enough that we've stayed away from any fog issues across mid-Missouri. And as we get into this afternoon, anything that's left, again, we're burning off any of those patchy locations with some fog here by 9 o'clock, and going to be tracking more of that sunshine right on into this afternoon, right on into this evening, as a matter of fact. We'll top out in the low to mid 80s, so it's going to be pretty comfortable, all things considered, especially by the second week of July standards across mid-Missouri. Getting into that heat index, no issues. At least today there's not. Tomorrow, bit of a different story. Those winds swing out of the southwest, and that's going to pump in some more of that humidity across mid-Missouri. We're actually going to warm up just a little bit more as well. That's all out ahead of this cold front that's going to work its way into the area. Out ahead of that, I still think we can warm up pretty nicely into Thursday. Still going to be a little bit warm, a little bit toasty, and all of that. Again, we've been doing this song and dance the last couple of weeks. Can feel some showers and thunderstorms and get them on the stronger side of that spectrum. This is the latest from the Storm Prediction Center this morning. Again, putting us in that first tier category, at least into that severe threat. But again, we'll continue to track that, iron out some of those details as Thursday gets a little bit closer. Getting into this weekend, got a few questions as to where that front ultimately ends up. If it stays with us, we got multiple rounds in us of showers and thunderstorms, kind of like what we've seen these last couple of weeks. But there's still a pretty decent chance, at least showing up in the model data this morning, that we can push that boundary far enough south that we can take the rain chances out of Saturday and Sunday. Still got them in as of right now. Not completely convinced that's what's ultimately going to shake out here as we get into this weekend. But stay with us. We got a lot to track here as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures, though, kind of bouncing around in the 80s for the rest of this week.